I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need direct admin access and a verified backup. Start now. Use nslookup or dig to list existing CNAME MX records so you know what to change. Once done, copy zone files and resolver configs to a backup folder and record the zone serial and TTL values. This prevents accidental rollback issues. Make sure the machine clock is correct, because DNS uses serials and caching. Poor time causes propagation confusion. You will edit the zone files now. Increment the serial using YIMN format so secondaries accept the update. Change CNAME, and MX records as needed and save. Next, update named. Conf or your DNS service config with correct zone file paths and secure allow transfer ACLs for secondaries. Then reload or restart the DNS daemon so the change applies. Check the service status and journal for syntax errors. If the server rejects, you must verify that your change is propagated. Run dig against authoritative and public resolvers, confirm the SOA serial and that new records appear. Also watch for cached TTL delays. Make sure clients observe the expected values. If records are missing, check logs and run TCP dump on port 53 to see queries and responses. One key troubleshooting tip: if anything goes wrong, restore the backed up zone file, restart the service, and then apply changes incrementally on a staging server to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.